Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm giving you guys another chance to enter this Ali Julia hair giveaway. They are giving away free hair to 2 winners. The first winner will win 3 bundles of 18-inch hair and the second winner will win 3 bundles of 16-inch hair. Rules to enter the giveaway. Rule number 1, you need to be subscribed to my channel. Rule number 2, you need to be subscribed to Ali Julia's hair YouTube channel. Rule number 3, you need to make sure that you're following Ali Julia hair on Instagram. And rule number 4, I'm gonna have 5 links down below of different hairstyles. You need to pick your favorite one, comment down below which number is your favorite, and then also leave your Instagram name and your email address so that Ali Julia knows how to contact you and how to verify that you're following them on Instagram and everything like that. Obviously this is an international giveaway, so literally anyone can enter. The winner will be announced on Ali Julia's YouTube channel, so guys, please do make sure that you are following them and you're subscribed, and make sure that your bell notification button is on so that when they do post it you are notified. And of course the winner will be chosen at random. Also the winner will be chosen by those who actually click on the link. So Ali Julia will be making sure that you have actually clicked on the link before selecting the winner. You need to make sure you click on all the links and choose which one is your favorite. When you've done that, comment it down below with your Instagram and email address. That's literally all. I'm gonna have all the information down below in the description box, and let's get on with this video.